Hi guys, welcome to another video by AntiquesArena. My name is Walter Neal and I've got another car boot sale haul for you today, or thrift haul, whatever you want to call it. Today we've got a mixture of car boot sale and charity shop items. So Sunday I went out with Stephen. We went to Bessemer Road in Cardiff, then we went down to Bridgend multi-storey car park, and then we went a couple of charity shops before going to the indoor flea market in Tremorfa, which is in Cardiff again. Now today I've got a couple of really interesting pieces. One or two shocks for you, to be totally honest with you, if you don't sell some of this stuff. We're going to start off anyway with the charity shop purchase. We bought this in the charity shop behind the multi-storey car park in Bridgend. I can't think of the name of the shop, sadly. So what have I got here? I got an Art Deco 1930s copper teapot. Okay, doesn't sound spectacular. We have the Bakelite handle, the Bakelite base, Bakelite top. We take the lid off and it's got a liner inside. Now that's very unusual. Now I've seen hundreds and thousands of teapots and copper kettles, and it's very rare for me to have one with the liner in. They are about, but they just don't come to me very often. So that's a really nice kettle. Now it owes me a £5. It's in good condition. It's got the odd little dent here or there, and the Bakelite handle's in good condition. The Bakelite base is in good condition. Got a little brass nut there to remove the base, and in all intents and purposes you could theoretically still use it if you wished, but really nice shape, good collectible piece. It cost me a £5, and while I was sat down waiting for Stephen, I was going on my phone and I found the exact item, or almost the exact item, sold, and they sold theirs for $39.99. so I'm going to be about £35, £40. So if somebody else is willing to pay 40 quid for one, then they can pay £40 for mine. So for a £5, guys, over the moon with that. Next, this one might shock you. Now I bought a selection of egg coddlers in Bridgend multi-storey car park. I bought 2, 4, 5, bought 6. They're all in good condition. It's 2. Let's see. Bear with me, I'm just checking the patterns, guys, to see the patterns. So we have 3 different patterns on the smaller ones. Now some of these are pulling stupid money. These are not rare patterns, they're really not. Pretty standard, to be totally honest with you. However, what I intend to do is put the group of 5 small ones on as one job lot. Now if I break it up, the group of 6 cost me £15. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the king size, look at the difference, or the maximum size one, on his own, and I'll put the small ones on as a group. The small ones for the 5, 2, 4, 5, should achieve about £30. This large one on his own should be £20 to £30 on his own, and that's because it's not a rare pattern, but it's still a really good price. They're all produced by Royal Worcester. There are other makers. I've got a couple of Wedgwood ones here, I know that, and I'm not sure how many other makers there are of them. There used to be a time when we'd throw the egg coddlers away, we just didn't rate them at all, but all of a sudden now people are buying them again, so they are worth buying. Now this one in particular I bought in the indoor flea market in Tremorfa, and it is a skippity tail is the pattern. And you can see it's a hell of a lot different to the standard flowers. Produced by Worcester again, and if you have a little look, now somebody sold one on a best offer at $69.99. don't know what the best offer was. Somebody else sold one at £30, and they're all over the shop, but they're good monies. I'll probably put that one up for about £45 or £50, and I paid a £5 for this one on his own. Now that is really good. And some of the other patterns, you know, if you can get a Christmas pattern and things like that, they can be £100, £120 for one egg coddler. So don't walk past the egg cardless anymore, guys. Pick them up and buy them, because honestly there is a huge market for them all of a sudden again. A lot of them go to Russia and America, but there's a huge market for them again. Next piece, really liked, cost me £3, car boot sale, clearly. Hello. Sorry guys, customers coming in there. As I was saying, yes, it's clearly a hip flask. However, it's a bit more than that. It cost me £3 in Bessemer Road car boot sale. Have a look here. Hopefully you can see it on the light. It is beautifully facet cut on the shoulders. Really nice. Every single panel here has been cut. This isn't a molded bottle. So they've made the bottle and they've sliced every single facet all the way down. They've sliced the sides. It is all cut glass. It's got a slice across the base here. It's real good quality. Now, unfortunately, top is only nickel, and as is this interior cap, which is also dented, might I add. You can see there somebody's opened it with their bloody teeth. However, it's in good condition, no damage. That's the only damage there, is where somebody's gone and opened it with their teeth. Wish they hadn't. But still a really nice quality hip flask. And for £3, I think that's real nice quality. Value wise, it's not fortune, it's about 15, maybe £20 by there. If it had a silver top, maybe 45 to 50, but with the nickel, not as valuable. Next piece I had, believe it or not, at 11 o'clock, 11:30, in Bridgend car boot sale. That's 3-4 hours after the boot sale opened and all the dealers have been through it. And I found gold. Cost me £3, and it's 9 carat gold, fully hallmarked, 375 Birmingham. I don't know if these are diamonds or cubic zirconia. They're more than likely going to be cubic zirconia. But for £3, there's 2 grams or 2.2 grams of gold here, just if I wanted to weigh it in. £3. What can I say, £1.50 a gram, give or take? Nothing wrong with that. Now, I'm not going to sell that. That'll go in with my jewellery collection. However, if I was going to sell that in the shop here, you've got to be talking £45, £50, no problem at all. Gold at the moment is about £14 a gram, give or take, £15 a gram. It's £25, £30 scrap. So, nice quality item. This might surprise a few of you. It's just a copper and brass horn, hunting horn. Yep, doesn't seem anything special. Well, they are. They're very, very desirable and sought after. Now they come in a whole host of different materials. You can even get them in silver. You can get them in nickel. You can get them silver and brass. There's all combinations. And some of the silver ones pull hundreds and hundreds of pounds. This little brass one here, I'd expect that to pull me 40 to 45 pound, and it came in for a £5. Come in one of the stalls, a permanent stall, as in a shop in Bessemer Road car boot sale. I don't know if you can picture it. Bessemer Road is, let's say, a square of buildings with the inside open. Car boot sale goes in the centre then, but around the outside used to be all different companies and businesses, but they are slowly but surely shutting Bessemer down to build on it. But while these shops have left their premises now, people, little antique stalls now, are renting them, and that's where I had this, out of one of the stalls. Cost me a £5, as I say, and I shouldn't struggle to get £40 for that. No problem whatsoever. But if you stay tuned, I'll show you some examples by way of pictures now of some sold prices and some of the variations you can get on hunting horns. There's always good money in the horns, guys. Never walk past a hunting horn, and if you've got any common sense, as much as you don't enjoy selling them, because I don't walk past egg cardless anymore, especially if they have an unusual pattern. Not floral, you know, you're talking animals and people and special patterns. Familiarise yourself with the patterns. Just go on eBay, go highest price, and have a look at some of the patterns. I've already put some in the video for you to have a look at, but they're going to change regularly. Anyway guys, I'm going to call it by there. It's a nice little group. It's no standout hundreds of pounds worth item, but some really nice quality collectibles. I'm pleased with the turnover. What's that? 23, 28, 31, 36 pound are they spent, and it's going to return me 40, 60, 140, about £250, guys. So that's not bad whatsoever. You can, if you do that every week, you're laughing. Guys, I'm going to leave it there. Hopefully you've enjoyed having a little look at these few pieces. If you have, I would appreciate a like and a share. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.